Assalamu alaikum. In this video we will learn how we can import our Mixamo characters to our Unity and how we will set up our characters. First of all, I have added this Mixamo characters to the folder with the animations and characters, and now we can just drag drop this folder into Unity. So I think in resources folder we can just drag drop this Mixamo folder, and definitely it will take some time to import, and then we will resume the video. Okay, so now you can see that we have imported characters, and now the first thing is that you can see that we have these characters and these are not textured. If we place this here, you can see this is a totally white character here. So the first thing is that we have to extract the textures. Okay, so we will select the character. Okay, the first thing we will just go to rig, and we will change the rig to from generic to humanoid. So I will select everything from here to here, and we will just select humanoid, and we will apply to the all characters. Okay, similar thing we will do for the animations as well. Okay, so now if we check average, you can see this is converted to humanoid. Also we have these animations, and we will select the animations and we can change it to humanoid. So this is very important step before moving further. Okay, so now we can go to our characters, and I think this and this one is also the animations. These are not the characters. If we place it here, you can see this is animation only, it's not character. So we can actually move this to the animations section by just cut it out, and actually I will do that from the back end. So for now we will just select the character, and then we will just go to materials, and here you can see we have a textures option where we can extract the texture. So we will just click here, and for every character I will create the separate folder because the characters are too much. And okay, just leave it. I will not create the folder. I will just add it to the extract the texture to the main folder. Okay, so let's wait for some seconds, and you will see that it will extract the textures, and hopefully we will have one texture only, or maybe the couple. Okay, so now you can see that I have extracted the textures here, and we will extract the texture to separate because it has a lot of textures. And now if we place this character here, you can see nice textures here, although the textures are not too shiny, or you can say not too much realistic. So if we go here AJ, and then if we place the texture again on the body, you will see a quite change here. Yeah, you can see the brightness. And now if we select this character, the main body of the character, maybe this one, you will find the textures here. Okay, and if we just click here to extend it, you will find metallic, normal maps, height maps. And if you need it to be more accurate, more you can say realistic, you can add normal map here, and then you can add specular map as well if you want to do. And if you want to add this metallic map, you can add this metallic map here. Sorry, this is not the metallic map, it is actually the facial anim map, so we will not use this, and we can use definitely the metallic map, etc., if you want to do so. Okay, and you can create your own maps as well, like height map and some other maps, and you can use them to get some better result. But I think this is already better result, and we will just keep it like this, and that's it. This is the process in which we will just extract the other textures as well for the other characters, and then in next video we'll move further and we'll learn how we will set up our cutscene.